Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's lecture is for class 10th. The topic is how are traits or characteristics transmitted to progeny. Genes are responsible for the characteristic features or traits of an organism, that is plant or animal. The characteristics or traits of parents are transmitted to their progeny offspring through genes present on their chromosomes during sexual reproduction. Genes work in pairs. There is a pair of genes for each characteristic of an organism. One is dominant gene and the other is recessive gene. Each parent possesses a pair of genes for each characteristic on a pair of chromosomes. However, each parent passes only one of the two genes of the pair for each characteristic to its progeny through gametes. Thus, the male gamete and female gamete carry one gene for each characteristic from the gene pairs of parents. But when a male gamete fuses with a female gamete during fertilization, they make a new cell called a zygote with a full set of genes. This zygote then grows and develops to form a new organism having traits or characteristics from both the parents which it has inherited through genes. Now, how do genes control the characteristics or traits? A gene is the section of DNA on a chromosome which codes for the formation of a protein controlling a specific characteristic or trait of the organism. Suppose a plant progeny has gene for the characteristic called tallness. Now the gene for tallness will give instructions to the plant cells to make a lot of plant growth hormones, and due to the formation of excess of plant growth hormones, the plant will grow too much and hence become tall. On the other hand, if the plant has the gene set for dwarfness, then less plant growth hormones will be produced, due to which the plant will grow less, remain short, and hence become a dwarf plant. Then the blood groups, how blood groups are inherited. A person has one of the four blood groups A, B, AB or O. This blood group system is controlled by a gene which has three different forms denoted by the symbols IA, IB and IO. The genes IA and IB show no dominance over each other, that is, they are co-dominant. However, genes IA and IB both are dominant over the gene IO. In other words, the blood gene IO is recessive in relation to genes IA and IB. If the genotype is IA,